82 best. We're going to start painting outside here, I think, next week. Let's go inside. So we got a lot done. This is my personal house. I like to always go through. So you see that landing right there. We're going to put some flooring there, and I'll show you what flooring we're going to put there. And it works very well. And again, all these cabinets are all painted. They're really nice inside and out. So we like to get the inside too. So, and then they did do this coating on the countertops. So we don't have to replace them. You can see it's kind of a cool color. It's a new color that they came out with. So it looks really good. So that's done. And then he's here cleaning it all up. Say hi.
How you doing, young man?
So we're getting all that done. And here's the flooring we're going to be putting in the kitchen, and all that's later. It's just one piece. That way, every time we get a new client or a new tenant, we go ahead and just replace the flooring. And so what's these in here? These are smoke detectors and carbon. We're putting those in. You see it's all painted. It's going to really look nice. We'll get that fixed up over there, but we want to get air in here. It's actually pretty hot. So here's what it looks like when they're done. And here we redid the whole bathtub, so it's all refinished. That'll last about 10 years, but that's why I like it. You see how nice. So we'll just clean and poly this here, and it's all painted beautifully, as you can see. So this is a one floor. This is all 3 bedrooms are on one floor. And then I do the exact same thing with mine. But it's really important when you're doing a rental to make sure that you don't do too much, but you do enough. Because this one will rent for $1,450 a month, maybe $1,500. I'm not sure yet. Probably $1,500. I'll get $1,500, but definitely $1,450. You see there we put the cord around. Looks tight in here. Everything's nice and clean. And now they'll clean and polish this. There's a new toilet. We always put new toilets in on this stuff. And then we'll put that rolled in here in the kitchen and in the landing too. Always put a new dishwasher in here. So all that's taken care of. And you see here, this is different because this is wood. You usually don't have this, so we're going to clean and polish this. This is usually the stuff you paint. There, so. And here's this, we still got to change that. We're going to be putting a new sink in there. And here's all this. This is getting done. There's some, the shower and everything's going to get done. The plumbing, all that's going to get done. So it's all coming together pretty good. Got to watch my step here. Here's all this. This one does have a sump pump, so we'll end up putting a battery in here. So the basement's always important. It has to, you don't want cracks or anything. They redid this one, so we tore all this out. We'll get all this dry locked and cleaned up. Basements are important. So, if you're looking for income real estate, we really watch it. I think homes are the best way to go, just because they're older. There's a lot of older stuff here in the Cleveland area. There's the box too. But, you always want to do that because, there's not as much maintenance. Tenants stay longer, 24 months or more, usually is our average. And they just work out better. So give me a call. If you're looking for investment real estate, you're looking for the right stuff that's going to cash flow, I have a system, and the system really works. I have property management, everything. You don't have to do anything. All you got, it's a hands-off situation for you. 216-703-5740. I'm Brett. I'm with Key Realty. You can WhatsApp me. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.